So here it is. This is the big one that just about everybody's been waiting for. It's the A9 firmware update version 5. And this little baby, well, you need to click some boxes to tell the Sony website that you agree. And this has got so many new features. It's just too much to detail here. So you're going to have to go ahead and read through the site yourself. But this is going to be one where you're going to need to read very well and take your time. Don't be just turning off the camera. On this one, wait until the update is fully done. Otherwise, you might brick it. And that is what nobody wants. But yeah, you can just look at the website here. Go to sony.com. This is the US website here, for example, and it details absolutely everything that is going to be on the change. You can click these drop down boxes here, and remember at the top you have to agree to the changes, and then you can go ahead and download the Windows version, or indeed download the Mac version. All been waiting a long time for this, so I think this is definitely one you should go ahead, download it. I've not had any issues reported other than people on a Mac saying that they can't get it to work. Grab a friend with a Windows and do the firmware upgrade. From there, leave me a comment, let me know how your new fangled firmware is now working on your A9. Are you a lover or a hater? But there we go, and as usual guys, it's been emotional.